welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Grabox for April month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before starting the video, let me tell you that you guys know where am I? Okay, let me tell you, I'm here in Jammu. Actually, not exactly in Jammu. I'm in Katra. I'm here to visit Mata Vaishno Devi. I've just completed my exams, and I just thought this is the perfect time to visit. And of course, Navratra is going to start very soon. So yeah, perfect time to visit Vaishno Devi. But yesterday night I got the box, and I thought you guys must be waiting for it. So that's why I thought, let me just do this unboxing and then I can go and visit Mata Vaishno Devi. So now let's just quickly start. The price for, I will be unboxing the jewel one. The price for this one is 499 rupees with the shipping. They have COD as well. I will be mentioning the link for Grabox, and yes, you can see all the details in the description box. You will be receiving all the same jewelry except the colors can change. So let's just quickly start. The first thing is, of course, the info sheet. This is the info sheet, and on the other side it says April Jewel Grabox, and here is the list of all the jewelry pieces. Let's start with the first one. The first one is the golden party earrings, and these are the ones. These are really pretty, and of course, I always say this, I don't know why, but these are actually, when you receive something gold or let's say plain silver, they are very safe for you. Whenever you don't have any time or you don't really want to do lots of mehnat on your look, what you can do is you can just pick the gold, simple gold earring. They will go with like any color in this world, any outfit in this world. So that's why. So I just feel they are again very safe earrings. You can just see beautiful. And this is like not the plain one, the textured gold color, you can say. Really pretty. Let me just wear one and show you. The price for this one is 350 rupees. And let me just wear this. And you can just see it's looking so pretty. And don't worry about the looks. I will be clicking some pictures, creating a lookbook as usual, and attaching that in the end of the video so you guys can see that. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a peacock oxidized earring, and these are something very different which I really don't have. Though I don't really wear Indian outfit, but they are perfect for Indian. If you wear something whitish blue kind of a suit, they will just look beautiful. Just have a look. Really pretty one. Let me just wear it and show you the look. This is the look. Right now, of course, this will not do because I'm wearing a western top, but if you wear this with a suit or a kurti, they will look stunning. And right now also they are looking nice. So this is the look. Second earring, and the price for this one is 300 rupees. Now moving on to the third one. The third one is sleek golden choker neck piece, and this is really beautiful. Let me show you. I personally love chokers, and this is again a beautiful one. Just see. Very beautiful. Let me just wear it and show you the look. Wow, so this is the look. You can just see this is looking really pretty. I'm loving it. Very pretty neck piece. The price for this one is 300 rupees, I guess. Yeah, 300 rupees is the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one are long oxidized chunky earrings for this. I have to remove my neck piece, which I really don't want to because it's looking so pretty. And it's going with my top right now. Okay, so this is the next one. The price for this one is 200 rupees, long chunky earrings, and they're gonna look amazing with your kurtis, with your suits. They're gonna look really pretty. Let me just wear one and show you. And yeah, don't worry, I will be removing the neck piece for sure, the choker, because that's golden and the chunkies are silver. Wow, just have a look, really pretty. So moving on to the next one, let me correct myself because I said these are the golden party earrings. These are not the golden party earrings. The name for these are metal sheet earrings, and price for these earrings are 150 rupees. And now comes the golden party earrings. These are the golden party earrings. Just have a look, really pretty, and you can just see they are so sleek, very classy, very rich kind of earrings. So yes, I'm liking it, and definitely they are perfect for your party. The price is 350, and let me just wear this and show you the look. Wow, and you can see they are looking so pretty. Don't worry, as I've said, I will be attaching a lookbook as usual, so you can see a clearer picture there. Now I'm left with the last one. The last one is the drop stone earrings. And let me tell you, I loved it. Why? Let me show you the earring and then you can obviously guess. So this is the color and that's the reason I love it. And of course, Grabox has come up with the stone earring, which is amazing because you know generally stone earrings are obviously looks more classy, looks more rich, and they are of course expensive. So they have come up with stone earrings. I'm happy. And the color is pink, though I am not really sure right now that with what color I'm going to mix and match this one. But yes, I love it. The quality is really nice and the color is so pretty. Let me wear it and show you. This is the look for the stone earring and you can see it's looking so pretty, giving a lot of color. Yes, I'm liking it and I think with black this is looking really nice. So happy with this. Price for this one is 400 rupees and this is the last jewelry in the box. That's it. So the total worth is 1700 plus of all the jewelry pieces, and as you know, Grabox never disappoint their subscribers, and this time also I like the box. If you ask me, the choker is really nice, and of course the stone earring is star product in the box, star jewelry in the box. Then the choker is nice, long jhumkis are nice, then the gold party earrings are really amazing. So I think overall a good box, and if you like it, you can go ahead and place your order. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box as usual, and I will be attaching a lookbook in the end, so stay connected for that. So that's all about Grabox, and one more thing, tomorrow I will be coming up with a giveaway video, so stay connected for that. That's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.